Our Texas skies are so beautiful, and I was inspired to paint one. So I got my paints together and a canvas, and I started pouring. And it didn't work for me, and I'll explain why. I'm using a palette that is not complementary at all. The yellow that I lay down as the base is going to mix with the blue and create some green, and I didn't want any green in this painting at all. But as chemistry would have it, yellow and blue are going to make green. I tried to put a barrier between them, but it just didn't work. Additionally, I chose the wrong method for this piece. This is a Dutch pour, and I should not have used a Dutch pour. I should have used a dirty pour or a ribbon pour, but I was just wanting to do a Dutch pour, and it just wasn't the right application. I tried to make fluid art behave in a way that I wanted it to, and that's not what fluid art does. So I learned some valuable lessons here, and I am going to try again using a different method and probably fine-tune my palette a bit. But I hope that you will follow along on this journey, give this video a like, and subscribe to my channel so you can see what else I come up with. But in true spirit of my channel, I am not going to gatekeep. I will show you my successes along with my failures, and I will share what I learn along the way. I would love to hear what you have tried that worked and what you have tried that didn't work, because we are all learning this together. As I continue to throw more paint at this canvas, trying to make it work, I am realizing that it's just not going to turn out like I want it to, but I was hoping for something that would look nice, and I just didn't get it. So I tried a few more layers of paint, and as you see, they just weren't working. So, well, let's throw a little bit more paint on there, and it's still not working. But we tried. Thank you so much for watching.